Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So excuse my voice, I'm not very well, as is the rest of the world, but yeah, so I thought I would do another tutorial anyway. And this is the look I came up with today. So I started doing like a half cut crease with some glitter on the lid, and then I just thought it was a bit boring, so I thought I'm going to just throw glitter onto my cheeks and everything as well. So this is kind of like a wearable kind of festival style look, so you know, if there are any festivals or anything this time of year, probably not as it's winter on this side of the world, but if you live somewhere hotter there might be festivals going on, so I thought I would just do something like that because I don't feel very well, so I thought if I throw glitter on my face I will feel better, and you know what, it worked. So yes, this is the look I came up with. If it looks like something you'd enjoy, please keep on watching, and if you do enjoy, please give the video a like, leave me a comment, and please do subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see you hopefully very soon. Thanks everyone, bye.
Okay, so to start today's video, I'm just going to take this sleek eyebrow palette. I've just got this in the darkest brown shade, and I'm just going to use this to fill in my eyebrows. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC Prolongwear concealer, and I'm just going to use this to carve out my eyebrows and also to start priming the lid for the rest of our eyeshadows. And I'm just going to set it down using some face powder. And then I'm just going to take the Makeup Geek eyeshadow in the shade Frappe, and I'm just going to start working this into my crease using a fluffy blending brush. I'm sorry about my illness voice, I'm super ill, so I'm just trying to get this done and uploaded before I die. And then I'm going to go in with Makeup Geek's Morocco shade, and I'm just going to start also working this into the crease using a fluffy brush. These are just going to be our transition shades, so it all looks seamless once it's all finished. I'm then going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and take the shade Red Ochre, and just on a denser brush I'm just going to start deepening up that crease. This is going to be the colour that's going to be, you know, the main colour when we cut it. So yeah, I'm focusing this quite carefully in the crease. I'm just blending it out. And then I'm just going to take Makeup Geek's Cherry Cola. It's like a darker burgundy red. And I'm just going to use this to further deepen the crease so it's not all flat on one colour. Adding all these shades together just makes it look a bit more like three-dimensional and like, you know, a bit more exciting than just putting like one shade into the crease. And then went back in with that MAC concealer and I just cut out the full crease, the usual, just like I did on the other eye, but on this eye, just the usual, just cutting out over my natural crease just to make my eyelids look brighter and bigger so we can see the look even when my eyes are open. And as usual, I am just going to set that down. I'm then going to go in with this silver shade. This is just like a shade from a Morphe palette that I had like years ago. It's just a silver shade that's quite pigmented. You can use anything you have. And this is just going to be our base colour. I did think it was a little bit too silver and like would, you know, be too close to the eyeliner shade we're going to use later. So then I just took the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe and just took the lighter shade in that palette and just used it to lighten up that silvery shade. I'm then just going to take this NYX glitter eyeliner in the shade Platinum and I'm just going to line where we cut that crease with this liner. And then I'm going to take the Soap & Glory Supercat liquid liner and just draw quite a long wing. I wanted this to be super dramatic, super over the top and extra. So yeah, I took that wing as far as the cut crease goes. And then just curled my lashes and applied some mascara. This is just the Essence I Love Lashes or something like that it's called, mascara, and just applied a few coats to my top lashes. And then I took the Peaches and Cream lashes. This is just like a set, you get 5 in a set. And I just took a couple of them and just stuck them on top of each other because, again, I just wanted something super dramatic. So I took 2 lashes on one eye and just glued them down.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never.
I'm then going to take NYX's Glitter Primer and I'm just going to use this on my lower lash line and taking it into like a triangle shape to make like glitter tears. I'm just taking this bit by bit and then I'm just adding the silver glitter. And then the glitter is this silver glitter by DAZZLIZE. I've used these before. It's really nice glitter to use. Sticks really well to that NYX primer. So yeah, that's what I used, and I just took it into like a triangle shape again just to make that like festivally glitter tears kind of look. Yeah, it's a bit extra, but you know, I thought it looked quite good and I've seen it on girls who go to festivals, so yeah, that's why I did this. I hope you enjoyed it because I quite enjoyed it.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we live.
And then I just applied a few coats of mascara to my lower lashes as well. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all very, very soon.
Why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please do leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of it, and do like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. I appreciate it very much, and yeah, I will see you all very soon, hopefully. Thank you again so much for watching. Bye everyone.